What did you buy today, Damien?
We bought something to keep our tools in to keep the shop from getting messy.
Welcome back to our dimly lit shop. As you guys can see by our breath, it's negative 5 degrees Celsius out there today. Damien will convert the Fahrenheit units up above us. I don't know what they are. I think it's like 26, 25, I don't know. But today we have good news. We have bought an upgrade. Damien spent 900 Canadian dollars on something that we desperately need. It's in this box here, and 2 more over there that he has been complaining to me about for the past 8 months. Now, for those of you who are not aware or maybe new to the channel, I'm Ricky. Behind the camera is Damien, who will actually be on camera in a second here. But for those who might have missed the video too, we actually moved shop. The back here Basshead garage actually has a garage, and I'm in it right now. Damien, swing the camera around the garage so let's show everybody. We got my 79 RX-7, Damien's 79 RX-7, which is unfortunately becoming a parts car here pretty fucking quick, and a couple of heaters. Got a wonderful electric heater, another electric heater, and then we have the fire hazard, which is right now currently behind Damien's leg. Just trying to light on fire. Why are we in the shop today? Well, I could say it's because of this.
Can't see it.
We'll say it's because of this right here. That's next video. Don't worry about that. That's next video. Ignore that. Today, it's all about this big guy. Damien.
Where's the light?
Here's your honors. I believe. Fix that later.
Just block the exit, just get rid of fire.
That's fine, we don't need to worry about that. Oh, wait, we kind of do.
Oh.
Straight up. Ooh, that is nice. Doors are on this side.
So we did do it perfect. Got it.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. So for those wondering what this is a tool cabinet. We picked it up today. It's actually gonna go, by the way, sketchy heater. Love it. Works really good. It's gonna go right here in this section. As you can see, this section is currently full of metal, carburetor, distributor, intake, starter, and starter. And a vacuum. And a bunch of random stuff.
I can see it back.
Beautiful. Right, Damien? Beautiful?
Yes.
Yes?
Yep.
Yes. So yeah, and you guys turn, oh, that's pretty nice. We got 2 more. Can't really see them, but there's 2 more right here, trust me. You guys see? See? Two more right here. This light's dead, but 2 more right here.
What's this say? Keys inside, do not lock.
Oh no, okay, perfect. So yeah, we're gonna clean up this. Hold on. Any Mazda nerds? What is this one? This is
One's for 13B.
This one's 13B1.
Yeah.
Any Mazda nerds out there, explain this to me? Why did Mazda do a full port on this side, but then half port with a throttle lever? Can some Mazda nerd in the comments explain that? to me, please? I don't get it. We have 2 steering wheels?
We're gonna need like one.
Bullshit. Hey Damien, should I buy it?
Oh. Okay. Right now I'm just putting on the handle right here, as you can see. Just putting the screws in. Then we'll set it up for you guys. In 2 seconds. Okay guys, this is the first of 3.
I'm gonna slide the end in because I can't turn on that side. I think that works perfect there. What do you think?
That's good.
It's good.
Time to get more.
He says it's good. Camera's right here.
Yeah, well, guess where we're going?
Right on top of it.
Camera.
Is that light?
Right?
Look at that, guys. It's part of the toolbox. It's so dark over here. Holy shit. Actually, hey, where's the light? Where's like the battery light? Stick it on this. Stick it on a rock auto board.
Doesn't do but
Actually, that's pretty good. And look, keys, more keys. Probably keyed to different things.
I wonder if it's the same key.
Wonder. Where are those keys? You got them?
Dude, these keys actually work.
Key? No. Other key? Should I try for this one? Yeah, so a different key for everything. God damn it. Wait. Oh, wait, there we go. Now it's locked.
Now it's locked?
Yeah.
Have to do it a little bit. It just pops up, okay. Okay.
Unlock it.
So that key for that key. This key for lock, that's annoying.
We're not going to have all these locked, don't worry about it. And then the final piece. The piece de la resistance.
Oh, yeah.
See, this is how I cut boxes. One-handed.
You do it for a living.
I don't do it for a living. I do it for my job. I work retail, dude. And then what you do is you do this. So you take this, because it doesn't have straps on it, so what you do is grab it, straight up, flip it over, put it down, and have a handy dandy garbage can to put all the damn fucking cardboard.
Oh, there's.
Is there? Oh, there is too. Oh, beautiful. Maybe it.
I can't. Okay. Where is it?
Got it? Oh. Is that one locked? Oh, lift at the top. All the way, all the way. Okay. Just do that, push that one down. There we go. We'll just keep it open like that permanently. Look at this, guys.
Got back for thumbnail.
Step back and enjoy it.
So, how good does that look?
That looks pretty good. Come see.
Thumbnail?
Yeah. That's this. So you guys are going to sit here. We're now going to time lapse. Going to put it in the bottom camera. Put the camera up somewhere along our very, very messy shop.
Yep.
Clean the shop. Organize the tools. Get Damien probably a haircut in the meantime. Nah, I'm joking. Damien loves his hair. And then maybe build another shelf, and maybe organize some more stuff, and maybe
Spend more money.
there you go. Camera's at 0%. We'll be right back.
Okay, time to start organizing tools and cleaning up shop. You guys will be sitting on top of our set. Right there. we just finished organizing-ish the toolbox. You guys can see. So we have miscellaneous stuff here. And we have, what was it?
Those are screwdriver bits.
Screwdriver bits and Allen keys. Socket.
Socket torque, socket screwdrivers.
Yes.
Pliers. Needle nose, that sort of thing. Screwdrivers. Metric wrenches. We don't talk about that drawer. Imperial wrenches. We talk a little bit more about this drawer. Ratchets, extensions, special sockets, which this...
Spark plug socket? No. Axe on that socket. Okay.
Metric. Find the 10 mil. This is a 10 mil. 12.
Okay, next.
10 mil? 11. No, I want to find the 10.
Right there.
Right there, here's the 10. Say we have a 10 mil. We have a 10 mil.
Okay, go.
Imperial sockets. Find the 1/2 inch.
Right there.
Okay. Air tools.
Air tools for
Air
now.
tools for now. We're getting more. We're getting more. Miscellaneous.
I'll say it's up top.
Full kit. So this is any kind of full kit that we have. And now the important drawer. Impacts, power tools, etc. Which the right angle ratchet goes in there as well.
Okay. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Ricky?
I got intakes on the ground! Hey Damien, should I buy it?